Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your CAT S75 louder. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play Store and look for the Volume Booster app. Then choose one of them. I'm always using the Goodiv app. Now click no thank you yes or yes agree 3 times and close the window. Now tap on the OK and the tool is active. You can increase and decrease the volume booster by the slider in this place, and now just adjust it to your needs. The 6% is max, and if you tap on the home screen or just kill the app from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, go to the volume booster from the home screen, click stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.